Hello viewers, today with Team Donovan, we're going to be sauteing some green beans, but first like and subscribe. We're going to start by rinsing off these beautiful green beans. We'll now need to prep the green beans by getting rid of the end. And we'll need to do this for all of them. And yes, I know it can be a tedious process. Now we'll prepare the garlic by first smashing it. And chopping it up. You can smell that beautiful aroma. Next, we'll chop the onion. We'll hit this up with a little bit of olive oil. And we'll spread that around. We'll toss in the freshly chopped garlic. Next to go in is the onions. Yeah, you can really start to smell that as we saute. Now it's time to add these beautiful green beans to the pan. A little sea salt. And we'll hit it with a little pepper. We'll stir it all together. Put the lid on and let it cook. After a couple minutes, we'll hit it with the butter. And cover it back up. After cooking for another 5 to 10 minutes, we'll go ahead and turn this off. See these beautifully cooked green beans. And there you have it, a delicious side dish. Now it's just time for a taste test. Good.